welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria, so happy that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. Welcome to Smoothie Fun Day. Today I have another delicious, tasty weight loss smoothie for you. Guys, you know we're in the fall season where the weather gets a lot cooler and the leaves of the trees are just they turn into these beautiful colors, yellow and orange and red, and they're just falling. They look so beautiful. If you live in the suburbs, you know what I'm talking about. And when you look around, everyone have a pumpkin carved on their front lawn. So today I'm making my pumpkin spice smoothie with all things nice. Everyone loves pumpkin spice this time of year. You go in the store, you see pumpkin all around, you see your pine cones. It smells so amazing. This time of year is just perfect. You know, the holiday season is right around the corner. When you go in the store and you see pumpkins and you see pine cone all around. So when you buy pine cone, they just, your house smells so amazing. That amazing scent in your home. And there's the pumpkin to make pumpkin smoothie. So today I'm making pumpkin smoothie because pumpkin, I love pumpkin. You can cook with it, you can use it in your soup. You can make pumpkin bread, you can make pumpkin cake, pumpkin cupcake, pumpkin cookies. There's so much stuff to make with pumpkin. And you know what about pumpkin? Pumpkin is so low in calories and high in antioxidants and vitamin and minerals. Is perfect to boost your weight loss. And you know, I need to lose weight. So this is a perfect recipe for me and for you. So let me begin by showing you all my ingredients to make this delicious pumpkin smoothie. Guys, here are all my ingredients. Super simple. I have your ice cube, 1 frozen banana. This is my pumpkin puree. I'm going to use half cup out of this pumpkin puree, and of course your pumpkin spice, and cinnamon, ground cinnamon, my protein powder, and my collagen. You see how much I love my collagen. Good for your hair, skin, and nails and joints support. And low calorie almond milk, which is only 30 calories. I'll be using a glass of almond milk. So this is it, just to make my tasty, delicious pumpkin spice smoothie. As usual, I will taste this smoothie. It looks so beautiful. Can't wait to taste it. It's just so rich. Guys, this tastes so good. I have to go back for seconds. Now guys, you know all these ingredients will be in my description box, so check my description box below so you can make your delicious pumpkin smoothie too. And if you already have your pumpkin plant in your yard, you need canned pumpkin. Okay, just pick your pumpkin and peel that pumpkin, take the seed out of it, cooked it, and that's gonna be what you're gonna use to make your pumpkin smoothie or pumpkin cake, pumpkin bread, pumpkin whatever you would make with pumpkin. My mother has pumpkin growing in her yard, so she's been making pumpkin smoothie for many years now. She's been making pumpkin smoothie. It's always nice when you can grow your own food, right? So this is all for now, guys. This super easy low on calories and everything what you see that I use here today. Simple, you can get some of them at your neighborhood supermarket, while you can get some online like collagen. I purchased mine from Amazon, and my protein powder, it's also sold on Amazon. I purchased mine at Target. So I will put the link for these in my description box. On the rest, you just pick them up at your neighborhood supermarket and enjoy your pumpkin weight loss smoothie. And don't forget now to hit like, leave me a comment, oh, and share my videos so my videos can get out there, my channel can grow more. And if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that red subscribe below and hit the notification bell, so when I upload new videos you will get a notification. I love you guys for spending time with me, and if you have something that you'd like me to make, leave a comment below. And I know you guys have a million plus choices and you choose me. I feel so honored and loved, and I'll try my best to live up to your expectation. Mwah.